I'm telling you, I'm so indebted to you. I will owe you for life.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, I thank you so much. Telling you.
It's okay. The ball is now in your court.
Happy?
Mm-hmm.
So from here, I'm going to go straight there. I'm going to go and see her.
No. You don't have to. Just give it time so that the message will assimilate.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So they will surely send for you.
They will send for me.
Yeah, of course they will. Why not?
Okay, that's
I had everything done.
They will send for me.
Yes.
Please, I want you to take this. Take this.
No. I don't need your money.
It's okay now. It's a dash. It's from me.
Izu, I don't want it.
You've done well now.
Izu, you are a very handsome man. I mean, I am not asking you to marry me. I just want you to make me feel something. I just want to feel something with you. It's going to be so sweet.
Wait now, what are you saying?